Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree cooking video is these barbecue chicken tostadas. So these are the ingredients. I have some onions and peppers cut up here. You can buy the frozen kind at Dollar Tree. I just, they didn't have any of that when I went to pick these ingredients up. These are the tortillas. I have some Hunt's Fire roast diced garlic tomatoes here. I have this cheddar cheese. This is the Frigos. It's real cheese. It's not the imitation. It will melt. And this is Badilla mojo. Barbecue sauce, some canned white chicken here. I have 3 cans and this is made in the USA. Also, I have some seasonings that are from Dollar Tree as well. I have some Italian seasoning, some black pepper, some cilantro leaves, and some chopped onions. So here is the 3 cans of white chicken already strained. In my pan, I just have a little bit of olive oil. So you're just gonna go ahead and heat your olive oil up and then add your chicken. This chicken is already cooked, but we just want to kind of brown it up. Here I have the cilantro leaves, the oregano, black pepper, and the chopped onions. So just go ahead and add that to your chicken. Next you'll add your onions and peppers and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the Badilla mojo marinade. Once your onions and peppers are cooked down and the chicken has a nice sear, then you can go ahead and remove the chicken and peppers and put it in another dish. Next, we'll be frying the tortillas. So all you want is a little bit of vegetable oil in your pan, and you're going to go ahead and fry your tortillas on both sides. Once the tortilla is fried, it's just nice and crunchy and it has a different flavor to it. It's just absolutely delicious. So now go ahead and pile on your chicken and peppers and onions, and then we're going to go ahead and add those garlic roasted tomatoes on top. Some cheese. And the last ingredient, just some barbecue sauce. So all you're gonna want to do now is put this in your oven just till the cheese melts, and you're done. You have these delicious chicken barbecue tostadas. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree cooking video. Go ahead and give it a try. It's absolutely delicious. It's inexpensive. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video.